Are you ready to uncover the hidden truths of Portugal? Get ready for an eye-opening journey as we dive deep into the shocking realities of this fascinating country. From its rich history to its unique culinary secrets, Portugal has a lot to offer. Let's explore the shocking truths that will leave you speechless. Before we start the further video, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and like the video. One of oldest nation in Europe. Did you know Portugal stands as one of Europe's most ancient countries, boasting a legacy that stretches into the early Middle Ages? This enduring heritage is more than just a fact. It's a living, breathing presence in the cobblestone streets, majestic castles, and vibrant festivals that dot the landscape from the rolling hills of the Alentejo to the bustling streets of Lisbon and Porto. Portugal's narrative is a captivating blend of various cultures, each leaving a lasting imprint on the country's identity. The southern regions whisper tales of Moorish rule with their intricately designed azulejos, tiles, while the northern areas hold onto Celtic traditions, echoed in their folk music and dance. It's this rich tapestry of influences that makes Portugal's history not just a series of events, but a mosaic of human experience. Exploring Portugal means walking through time, where each corner reveals a different story, from the historic conquests and maritime explorations that set the stage for the Age of Discovery to the serene monasteries and bustling markets that tell the tales of everyday life through centuries. The country's historical significance is magnified by its contributions to global culture, including the Age of Exploration, which forever changed the way we understand our world. Portugal's culinary secrets unveiled. Dive into the heart of Portuguese cuisine, where every dish tells a story of tradition, exploration, and a profound love for the flavors of the land and sea. Portugal's gastronomy is a treasure trove of tastes and aromas waiting to be discovered by culinary adventurers. Picture yourself biting into a warm, cinnamon-dusted pastel de nata, its flaky crust and creamy custard, setting the stage for a gastronomic journey through Portugal's diverse regions. The ocean's bounty graces tables with dishes like bacalhau, a salted cod that's been reinvented in hundreds of recipes, each reflecting a different corner of Portuguese culture. But the culinary adventure doesn't stop at seafood. Indulge in the rich, smoky flavors of piri-piri chicken, a testament to Portugal's exploration and incorporation of spices from around the world. Or savor a bowl of caldo verde, a simple yet soulful soup that embodies the Portuguese spirit of making hearty meals from the humblest ingredients. The secret behind Portuguese cuisine's irresistible charm lies in its simplicity and the emphasis on high-quality, locally sourced ingredients. From the drizzle of golden olive oil to the tongue of vinho verde, the freshness and authenticity of the ingredients shine in every bite. As you explore Portugal, let your palate lead the way through markets brimming with artisan cheeses, cured meats, and an abundance of fresh produce. The environmental enigma of Portugal, with its breathtaking landscapes ranging from verdant valleys to dramatic coastlines, encapsulates the beauty of Mother Nature in its purest form. However, beneath this picturesque facade lies an environmental conundrum that demands our attention. The country grapples with pressing environmental challenges, including the impact of climate change, which manifests in increased wildfires, rising sea levels threatening coastal areas, and the loss of biodiversity. These issues underscore the urgent need for environmental conservation and sustainable practices to protect the natural splendor that Portugal is renowned for. In response to these challenges, Portugal has taken significant strides towards sustainability. The nation is a trailblazer in renewable energy, with an impressive portfolio of wind, solar, and hydroelectric power contributing to its energy matrix. This commitment to green energy not only mitigates the effects of climate change, but also sets a global standard for environmental stewardship. Moreover, local communities and activists are at the forefront of conservation efforts, working tirelessly to safeguard Portugal's ecosystems. From reforestation projects in the burned expanses of its forests to innovative water conservation techniques in agriculture, the Portuguese people are embracing the ethos of living in harmony with the environment. Unbelievable Portuguese laws and customs. Venturing into Portugal opens up a world where tradition and the unexpected blend seamlessly, offering visitors unique experiences shaped by some truly unbelievable laws and customs. Did you know, for instance, that in Portugal, an unusual law prohibits relieving oneself in the ocean? It's a quirky rule that underscores the country's respect for the natural environment and cleanliness of their beautiful beaches. Equally charming is the Portuguese custom of greeting with a kiss on each cheek, a warm and friendly practice that reflects the open-hearted nature of the Portuguese people. This gesture of hospitality and kindness is extended not only to acquaintances, but often to new friends and visitors, embodying the country's welcoming spirit. But the peculiarities don't stop at greetings and beach etiquette. Portugal also treasures its quiet time, with laws in place that limit noise in residential areas after a certain hour, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the serene beauty of the country's evenings. And in a nod to the importance of community and shared spaces, many towns have regulations that protect communal land for agriculture and festivities, highlighting the value placed on togetherness and sustainability. These unique laws and customs are more than just regulations. They are reflections of Portugal's rich cultural tapestry, its commitment to environmental stewardship, and its embrace of community values. As you explore the nooks and crannies of this captivating country, you'll quickly discover that these distinctive aspects contribute to the charm and allure of the Portuguese way of life, inviting you to see the world through a more enchanting and respectful lens. The economic paradox of Portugal. Portugal's journey through economic waters has been as intriguing as its storied past, presenting a fascinating paradox. On one hand, the country faces the hurdles of high unemployment rates and a notable wealth disparity among its citizens. These challenges are remnants of economic crises that have tested the resilience and adaptability of the Portuguese people. On the other hand, Portugal beams with a vibrant entrepreneurial spirit, a testament to its innovative and forward-thinking population. The nation is buzzing with a dynamic startup ecosystem, drawing creative minds from across the globe to its tech hubs and innovation centers. This juxtaposition paints a picture of a country not defined by its challenges, but invigorated by the potential for growth and renewal. Amidst these economic highs and lows, Portugal is crafting a narrative of recovery and opportunity. Efforts to bolster the economy through technology, tourism, and renewable energy sectors are slowly but steadily bearing fruit. While acknowledging the road ahead, the Portuguese community remains optimistic, embracing change and fostering an environment where new ideas can flourish. This economic paradox showcases the country's unwavering spirit and commitment to building a prosperous future, making it a compelling case study of resilience in the face of adversity. Portugal's secret societies and historical mysteries. Delve into the enigmatic world of Portugal's secret societies and age-old mysteries, a realm where history and legend intertwine to tell tales of intrigue and hidden knowledge. Portugal's past is rich with the clandestine activities of groups such as the Knights Templar and the Order of Christ, whose influence can still be felt in the winding streets of ancient cities and the silent majesty of old monasteries. These organizations, shrouded in secrecy, play pivotal roles in the nation's history, engaging in covert operations, guarding sacred relics, and influencing the course of European politics and exploration. The allure of these secret societies extends beyond their historical impact. It lies in the mysteries and legends that have flourished around them. The Templars, for instance, are rumored to have discovered untold treasures and arcane knowledge, secrets that many believe are hidden beneath the cobbled paths of Portugal's oldest towns. Meanwhile, the Order of Christ, direct descendants of the Templars in Portugal, are said to have been instrumental in the Age of Discoveries, sponsoring voyages that changed the face of the world. Embark on a journey through shadowy corridors of history to uncover the truth about Portugal's secret societies. Investigate ancient fortresses, decipher cryptic symbols, and perhaps, just perhaps, you'll come a step closer to unveiling the mysteries that have captivated the world for centuries. In this adventure, every stone unturned and every legend explored is a step into the depths of Portugal's most intriguing historical enigmas. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on subscribe button if you found this video informative and exciting. We love hearing from you, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.